Hello everyone, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Partial fraction decomposition, this time with 3 partial fractions. Let's get started. You put index 8 into here with the open and closed parentheses, you get to my menu. You can scroll down and start up in the A section, but you can scroll down, they're all alphabetical, to partial fractions. Enter the integral by pressing alpha first. Alpha, parentheses, x squared plus 12 times x plus 12, close off the parentheses, divided by open parentheses, x cubed minus 4 times x. I always show you what you've entered. How many of you could factor this right here? Be pretty tough, I would think. Do it easy in my programs. Comes up with 3 factors. So you write this on your paper: x squared plus 12x plus 12, which is the numerator, divided by the denominator, times the denominator. And this is the actual denominator of the factors. So we do the same thing here, and then we're going to use this to multiply times all of this to get rid of the divisions. Common denominator is the actual words. So we end up with x squared plus 12x plus 12 equals a, and x times x minus 2 times x plus 2, bx times x plus 2, cx x minus 2. At x equals 2, these little quotation marks here the calculator does, but you would put parentheses wherever you see these. Parentheses 2 squared, you're substituting 2 for every x in the functions. And here's parentheses 2 here plus 12, etc. Do that throughout the whole system here. And that turns out to be b equals 5. At x equals 0, you substitute 0 for every x in all the computations here. And that turns out to be a equals minus 3. At x equals minus 2, substitute for x in all the equations. C equals minus 1. Partial fractions are minus 3 over x plus 5 over x minus 2 plus minus 1 over x plus 2. When we integrate those, one thing about integrating a denominator with no exponent, you notice you can't, this has an exponent of 1 theoretically, but if you try to switch it to the numerator, 5 times x minus 2, it becomes a minus 1. Well, in integration you're going to add 1 and then divide by the result. Well, if you add 1 to a minus 1, you get 0, and x to the in numerator, anything to the 0 is 1. So that's the reason you have to use logs. Whenever you see no exponent in the denominator, it's a log integration. So minus 3 log times the absolute x, 5 log absolute x minus 2, minus 1 log x plus 2, plus c. Pretty neat. Hi, everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site,